I will talk on camera here every single day until get fluency in English, guys. And this is day number 58 already. As you can see, new room completely because I've been in my hometown. This is my home. I've come here a little bit today. When I've got to my house, my parents and grandma already revealed a small feast, with the chicken, fried chicken, a little vegetables, some salads, some desserts. I don't know what was it like. I don't know what's it in English. It's like something really sweet. Let's do what we can do in this in this evening. Obviously, TOEFL speaking questions, because TOEFL can help me to get better in English speaking. I can, by the way, a little bit show my room. Like, what is this? Carpet, some armchair, but soft armchair. Oh, this is my trophies. From karate, I was a sportsman. Yeah, this is my trophies and window, workplace. Here, I spent 100 hours of preparing to exams, studying school subjects, all my childhood in this place. Now laptop. And scarves of football teams, what I support in Russia. A little bit about outside. You're gonna be shocked maybe, but it's nothing, like literally nothing. Restful place. Oh, let's get back to questions. First question in TOEFL: would you prefer working in a team or individually on major projects? Explain your choice with the relevant examples. About major projects, example literally from the previous year at university, we got this kind of presentations project, and I like being on team. I like working together when we can unite all our thoughts, but it depends on team, because when you've been with your friends, when you set a close connection, really good and timing and linking between group mates, it is great when you're with friends. But when I had this experience, when you're with guys who you're not really good in relationship, you don't have friendships, you don't interact besides group projects, it's gonna be tough one moment. But in general, group projects, it's much more interesting and fun. Second task, it was about students' health insurance at university. For foreigners, like this theme. As far as I understood, advisor expressed opinion about that foreign students can consider this health insurance like something really expensive. But university doesn't have a profit from selling this health insurance, and moreover, it wasn't increased in cost. But with comparison, in the country where students came from and this country, it is a different cost of medicine service. Just basically, doctor service in this country is much more expensive, and you will spend $1,000 going to the doctor without your health insurance, what you got to the university. But there was decision, what the advisor suggested. University can provide you this kind of insurance, but through the school, and it's gonna cost a little bit less than just the standard version. Commensalism is ecological relationship between several species when they're not affected by each other. For example, we can consider whales and barnacles, two different species, but they live in the same environment, in the ocean, in the sea. Barnacles always live nearby whales, and they catch food kind of like plankton. At the same time, they can benefit something. They develop themselves, but they don't touch whales, and whales live separate life with no impact. And whales doesn't have any impact to the barnacles. And last question, discuss the various roles of coral reefs in our ecosystem and briefly mention the threats they are facing, as explained in the lecture. Coral reef, this is a crucial ecosystem in the ocean. It took 25% of all species what we can find in ocean, all fish, everything in coral reefs. But at the same time, it covered only 1% of all the floor of the ocean. A really small territory, but a lot of species there. Coral reefs play important role, no doubt, in our world. First of all, this is a home for millions of species ocean. Second, for this protection from storms, from like big waves, something like this. This is protection for this species. And third, this about tourism. This is a really popular way of tourism, diving, great destination to spend your day, like dive and observe these worlds. But right now, coral reefs being in danger because of changing climates, climate getting warmer, and pollution ocean. It's gonna be really awful if in the future we will lose coral reefs and all the beautiful species. I love corals. Let's take care of our planet Earth, of coral reefs, or the ocean especially, and don't pollute.